Hi everyone! Have you ever found yourself wrestling with C++ type traits, specifically std, decay and std, remove_ref? It can be a bit confusing to tell them apart, but understanding their differences is key to writing robust and correct template code. Today, we're going to break down exactly what each of these powerful tools does, and more importantly, when you should choose one over the other. Let's dive in and simplify this C++ concept. First, let's talk about std, remove_ref. This type trait is quite straightforward in its purpose. Its name gives you a big hint. Remove CV_ref. Here, CV stands for const and volatile qualifiers, and ref refers to references, both value and revalue references. So, what std, remove_ref does is simply strip away any const or volatile qualifiers and any reference types from a given type. For example, if you have a constant and std, remove_ref will give you back int. If you have a volatile double and, it will return double. It's like taking off the outer layers of a type to get to its core. Crucially, std, remove_ref does not convert arrays into pointers, nor does it convert function types into function pointers. An int, 5, will remain an int, 5, and a function type like void, int, will remain void, int. Its job is purely to remove references and CV qualifiers, nothing more. It provides the base type without any of those specific adornments. Now, let's turn our attention to std decay. This type trait is a bit more comprehensive, and its behavior is inspired by how types decay in certain C++ contexts, such as when passed by value to a function. std decay also removes const and volatile qualifiers and references, just like std, remove_ref. So, a constant and will also become int with std decay. However, std decay goes several steps further. It performs two additional crucial transformations. Firstly, if the type is an array, std decay will convert it into a pointer to its first element. So, an int, 5, becomes an int. This mimics how arrays often behave when passed to functions. Secondly, if the type is a function type, std decay will convert it into a pointer to that function. So, void int becomes void int. These array-to-pointer and function-to-pointer conversions are the key distinguishing features. std decay essentially gives you the type that would result if you were to pass an object of that type by value to a function. It's about getting a decayed, copyable type, suitable for storage in containers or for function arguments where you want a value. So, the core difference boils down to this. std, remove_ref only strips references and CV qualifiers, leaving arrays as arrays and functions as functions. std decay does all of that, plus it converts arrays to pointers and function types to function pointers. You would typically use std, remove_ref when you just want the raw, underlying type, perhaps to check its properties or to use it as a base. You would use std decay when you need a type that behaves like a value, one that has undergone the standard C++ decay rules, often for storing in a std vector or similar container, or when you're working with auto deductions in templates where you want the value type. Both are incredibly useful, but their specific applications differ based on whether you need those additional array-to-pointer and function-to-pointer transformations. Thank you so much for watching this explanation. I hope this cleared up the distinction between std decay and std, remove_ref for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow C++ learners, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more programming insights and tutorials. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you in the next video.